How to do the Instagram highlights stalking trap in 2025. Now, there are two ways in doing this method. First things first is ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Instagram app. Head over directly to a specific store where you have downloaded it and ensure that the update button is not visible. If it's not updated, like mine on my end, just simply tap on update and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Now access your Instagram application, and the first method that you can do is head over directly to that certain post in which you would like to do the stalking trap. Now hit on the three dots at the top right portion of your post, and then in here, just simply tap on View Insights. Now this is where you should be able to see those informations. The other thing that you can do is to go all the way back and head over to your settings and activity at the top right portion. Now scroll down once again and head over to Insights, and then under Insights, tap on View, and you could also see those information right here. So that's it. That's how you do the Instagram highlights stalking trap in 2025.